Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to How to Actually. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So go ahead and open your Gmail and we're going to tap our profile. I'm going to go ahead and hit this one here and you should be able to see there an option that says Google account. Go ahead and tap that one. And in here, you're going to scroll until you see security. Go ahead and tap security. And we're going to scroll down here below. And we're going to look for your devices. So as you can see, this is where I'm signed in. I can just go ahead and click manage all devices and I should be able to see here all the sessions that I have logged in those particular devices. For example, here I have 3 sessions on an Android device. I can just go ahead and tap any of these. For example, this one below, and then click sign out and click OK, just like so. And you should be able to do this for all the others here. Now that is how you're going to do it, basically, everyone. So the only thing that you're going to do from now on is just basically log out all the other devices here that you think is not yours. So you're going to do that until all that is left here are the phones or devices that you have recognized. And yeah, that's how you're going to do it. I hope this video has been a great help for you guys. Have a good day.